Hi, in this video you are watching a video of a project we did in Lutherville, Maryland. We removed the old patio and built an attractive new Techo-bloc patio for our client. We are Detailz Construction Corporation, serving Baltimore and surrounding areas in Maryland. We provide specialty services including interior and exterior concrete flatwork, structural concrete repairs, think parking garages, patios and pavers, retaining walls and masonry work, including brick and stone restoration, masonry pointing, stucco, and repair services with 100% customer satisfaction. Our skilled teams can help you on a variety of project scopes, from industrial masonry or concrete repairs to the design and creation of concrete driveways or patios. We are an experienced, licensed, insured, and certified residential and commercial construction company. If you need help with any of the services we provide, call us now at 443-625-8716 or visit us on the web at detailzcorp.com.